Good morning everyone, myself Anushka, student of Mapples Academy class 9th here, and today I am here to speak on the topic National Unity Day. National Unity Day is also known as the Rashtriya Ekta Divas. It was introduced by the Government of India in 2014. It was celebrated on 31st of October every year. This day is marked as the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and his dream of unified India. He is also known as the Iron Man of India because he played a major role in the unity of India. Because of his great belief, he was able to unite the people of India and work toward a single nation and works toward the development of our country. This year, we are going to celebrate 144th birth anniversary of great legend Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel in order to pay tribute to him. So we celebrate our unity on this day, and at last, I only want to say that we are very lucky that we born on this land and just take our oath on this day that we always follow a path of unity forever. Thank you all of you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Good morning everybody, this is Nandini Tyagi, a student of class 9 Sky. Firstly, I'd like to thank my teachers for giving me this special opportunity to speak in front of you all. Today, I'm going to speak on the topic of National Unity Day. National Unity Day is celebrated on 31st October every year, and the day seeks to promote nationalism and the spirit of unity among every citizen. The day was first celebrated in 2014 and is observed on the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. I know what you all might be thinking right now, that why the day is celebrated on the occasion of birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Here the reason is, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, born on 31st October 1875, who was a freedom fighter who became the first Deputy Prime Minister and the Home Minister of India, has a very important role for the struggle and the freedom struggle of India. He was not only a good administrator, but his role is more significant for the freedom struggle of India. When the British left India, there were nearly 565 princely states who were not sure to join India. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel persuaded the states to join the land of India, and that is why he earned the sobriquet, the Iron Man of India. He wasn't willing to compromise and to let go his vision and dream to see India as a single and united nation throughout its length and breadth. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was a unifier of India who single-handedly was responsible for its political integration. If he didn't have an uncompromising attitude towards India to see it developing and to see it prosperous, we wouldn't be as united, as together as we are today. So, National Unity Day is a befitting tribute to the Iron Man of India and his resolve. What we should actually celebrate on the day is the passion of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel to see India developing and living in unity. What we should actually celebrate on the day is the love and brotherhood and fraternity for every citizen having for each other on this beautiful and culturous land. I hope, I believe that we will hold this unity and fraternity for each and every citizen till their own. Thank you.
Good morning one and all present here. My name is Akshi of class 11th Commerce is here to deliver a speech on World Unity Day. World Unity Day or Rashtriya Ekta Divas is celebrated on 31st October every year to mark the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The objective of World Unity Day is to maintain the nation's unity, and the aims to spread awareness about Patel's contribution to Indian history. The official statement of the World National Unity Day is that to provide an opportunity to reaffirm the strength, integrity and the security of India. In 2019, the World Unity Day is celebrated with the theme to bring the nation together.
Hello everyone, my name is Kajal, a student of class 10 from Mapples Academy, is going to share my views on National Unity Day. Unity is the state of being together. National Unity Day is celebrated on 31st October annually. It is celebrated for marking the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, a great freedom fighter who solely credited for unifying 500 states of India. In colonial India, when country was divided among small provinces, the chance of external invasion was so high. If we turn around the pages of history, we will find that most of the external forces entered in our nation when we were not united as a nation. The British government also stated that its divide and rule strategy for ruling over India. While facing such harsh conditions in our own country, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel suggested the idea of unifying our country. He is also the first Home Minister of India after independence. He and designated as Deputy Prime Minister of India. For reminding his efforts for our country, from 31st October 2014, the Home Ministry of India introduced and announced the annual celebration of National Unity Day. It carries the motto of unity and integrity among the citizens of India. National Unity Day was first inaugurated by the Prime Minister of India, Mr. Narendra Modi. This event was organized in Delhi and was helpful in connecting youth. It was a successful attempt for connecting the nation as a whole. On 31st October 2018, our Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi inaugurated Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's renowned statue in Vadodara. This is popularly known as Statue of Unity. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's visionary efforts and his ideology for national unity were one of the main reasons behind the independence of India. So, continuing his legacy for generations, we should also adopt his visionary and make our country be united. Thank you.
United we stand, divided we fall. About saying this great, I would like to say hello to everyone. I am Megha Rana, a representative of class 10 Sun is here. Today I am here to deliver a speech in front of you all. So the topic of my speech is National Unity Day. As we all know that National Unity Day is celebrated on 31st October every year in the memory of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, as he was the Deputy Minister and also the Home Minister of our country. He was the patron saint of Indian civil service and also the Iron Man of India. It was celebrated as the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. He was a great man for India. When India gained independence, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel became the Deputy Prime Minister of India and also holding the portfolio of the Union Home Minister. When the British left India, there are about 565 princely states that gained independence. About independing these countries, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel have a great role in it. He was uniting these kingdoms by his ability and convincing their military powers. About saying that Vallabhbhai believed that there was a great objective of Indian map united its length and breadth. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Radhika Tal, student of Maples Academy, class 9 Sun. So today I am here to say a few words on National Unity Day. National Unity Day is observed on 31st October every year in the memory of first Deputy Prime Minister and Home Minister Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. He was also known as the Iron Man of India and the patron saint of Indian civil services. National Unity Day is celebrated throughout every year with great zeal and a respect for Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. In school, special functions were organized by the students in which they told about the life of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and his contribution toward the post-independence India. Various programs were organized by the Government of India like March Past, Run for Unity and Pledge. Run for Unity is a program held in various towns, cities and rural areas. It is the best day to memorize Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel achievement and struggle. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel really worked hard in keeping the India united, so we should also follow his vision and try to be united till eternity. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning everyone, myself Shrishti Khurana, a student of class 10th here, and my topic of speaking is National Unity Day, also known as Rashtriya Ekta Divas. It was celebrated on 31st of October every year to commemorate the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who really unified our country. Our national government introduces this day. The aim of introducing this day is to give a tribute to our Iron Man of India. Our floral tribute is given to the Iron Man of India at Parliamentary Street, New Delhi. Now we know that why we celebrated this day or for whom we celebrated this day. But the new question also arises that why we celebrated unity. Why it is need to celebrate unity. You all have listened this quote that unity is unity in diversity, unity in strength. But what does it actually mean? It means that being united after living separately, after following different culture, after following different religion. It's like that we are a huge joint family. After all the fight, after all the conflicts, we remain united. All the people are welcomed respectfully, equally in the India. Thank you.